We're going to demonstrate how to take off this hub-piloted disc rim tire. These are the tools necessary to take off the front right-hand tire of a semi. First, you're going to set the wheel chucks in on both sides. First, you have to center the bottle jack under the axle or another proper lift point. Then connect it to the airline. You want to lift the truck so the tires are just barely clearing the ground. Next, you're going to place the jack stands under proper lifting points, making sure the handles are out for easy access. To release the jack, you have to turn the handle on the top of the pole. When removing a tire, make sure you follow the designated star pattern. We are using a large 1-inch drive impact with a 33mm socket. After all but one lug is removed, you bring in the wheel dolly and crank up the arms after applying the safety chain. To only crank the arms so that they just make contact with the tire. Any further and you risk damaging the dolly. Remove your final lug. And the tire will come right off. To replace the tire, you slide the dolly back into position. Make your adjustments and the tire should come right back on once you align the studs with the holes in the rim. Replace your single lug nut. And remove the dolly. Replace the lugs using the same star pattern mentioned earlier. We are now going to re-lift the truck, remove the jack stands, and lower it back to its original sitting position. Next, we need to torque down the lug nuts on the tire, making sure that your torque wrench is set to the appropriate pounds. Ours is set to 440. You're going to torque using the same star pattern used before, using the same size socket as we used on the impact. When torquing, be sure to lift with your legs to prevent back injury.